Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix AMS Lite unable to feed error on Bambu Lab A1 Mini filament load fix. Fix 1. Check the filament path. Remove the filament from the affected AMS Lite slot, then inspect the entire filament path from the spool to the tool head. Now remove any bent, tangled or broken filament and reload the filament until the AMS Lite automatically grabs it. Fix 2. Inspect the PTFE tubes. Disconnect the PTFE tube from both the AMS light and the tool head. Now look through each tube for broken filament pieces or debris. Push any blockage out using a straight piece of filament, then reconnect the tubes securely. Fix 3. Check the filament hub. Disconnect the PTFE tubes from the filament hub on top of the tool head. Now inspect the hub for broken filament or foreign objects. If necessary, carefully disassemble the hub and remove the obstruction. Then reassemble the hub and reconnect the tubes. Fix 4. Verify the spool feeds smoothly. Make sure the spool rotates freely on the AMS light holder. Remove any tangled filament and if using cardboard or oversized spools, transfer the filament to a compatible plastic spool if possible. Fix 5. Check the extruder and nozzle. If the AMS light pushes filament but it does not enter the hot end, inspect the extruder. Remove any filament debris from the extruder gears, then clear a clogged nozzle before trying to load filament again. Fix 6. Reload the filament. Cut the filament tip at about a 45-degree angle. Now insert it fully into the AMS light until the feeder motor grabs it automatically. Then start the load process again from the printer screen or Bamboo Studio. Fix 7. Restart the printer. Turn off the printer, then wait for about 30 seconds. Now turn it back on and try loading the filament again. Fix 8. Contact Bambu Lab support. If the error persists after checking the filament path, PTFE tubes, filament hub, extruder, and nozzle. Record the error code and the affected AMS light slot, then upload the printer logs if requested and contact Bambu Lab support for further diagnosis or replacement parts. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.